Okay. Rex the dog over here, getting things all started up. Getting things ready. Hopefully hopefully everything's working here. Because my little chat box didn't appear, which is interesting. Aha, there it is. Okay, I was like, dude, what's going on here? I was like, what's going on? I was like, I don't see any messages yet. And I'm like, there we go. There we go. Rex the dog here. How's it going? Just getting things set up for today's stream. So we can, hang out as per usual. Let me get a drink. It's important. Your boy has a drink. Hello there, Fireball. Good day to you. I'm in slight disarray today. Spencer Beagle, hello. I was a little bit ambitious with my morning, right? I was a little bit ambitious with my morning of like the stuff I might be able to do. So I was a little bit ambitious with my morning today. Yeah, I was trying to like do a long run and also get a bunch of stuff done and also yada yada yada. So anyway, it's not important. it's not of the utmost important. But anyway. So sometimes that happens. Like I try to do like too many things at once, and then like time sort of like it just dissipates. You know what I mean? It just slips away. But it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. We're here again, as per usual. We're gonna hop on gamemaker for a bit. Which I will say the game makering has Cali Water. Bang, hello. I will say the game makering's a little bit because I've been like traveling a bit and it's been the busyness of Christmas and all that sort of stuff. So the sort of like stop-start nature of hopping on Game Maker once a week has been somewhat challenging, But give me just a little second more. I'll hop in the Fursuit in a moment. Ba da 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 da. Aha. There I am. I am present. I am present. Okay, let me just post out the links to the people so they know we're here. Because we like to inform. Let people know what we're up to. We'll put that on Twitter. Cool. Chuck that on Twitter. We'll put that out there in the world. Alright, let's put that on Telegram. Let people know what's up over there. Cool. Nice to see everybody being friendly to each other as per usual in the chat. I mean, everybody's always chill, right? We've always got a chill atmosphere on the go over there. We always got a little bit of a chill atmosphere on the go, which we like, which we appreciate, which we're happy about. Alright, cool. No, but like something I've been really messing around with the past week, which I feel is doing really good for me, is I've been doing a lot of hanging. So I mean, obviously, like I'll do like pull-ups and whatever and stuff as well. But I've been doing a lot of just sort of like static, like isometric, like hang training. So just like hanging there for kind of as long as I can. And I think it's really like amongst other things, I think something that's really, really helping out with is posture. I think it's really, really helping out my posture. So I'm gonna keep messing around with that and like seeing what it does, you know, seeing how I feel. Continuing to do that, but I hear and I've read like a lot of stuff about like, oh, there's a lot of benefits. Hello there, Val. I read there's like a lot of benefits to just like sort of doing hang training, stuff like that. Oh, that's a really good idea, Fireball. That's actually a really, really good idea. Like micro games. Yeah, no, I like that a lot. And then at the end, I could Critter, hey dude. At the end I could kind of like put all my like schlop together. After that's that's a really, really good idea. I like that a lot. Did you just like come up with that in your head, Fireball, or did you get like inspiration from somewhere about that? Because I really like that. That's actually really freaking cool. You did some game modding yourself. What, more Left 4 Dead or just other stuff? I vibe with that a lot. I think that's really, really sick. That's exciting. I like, dude, this idea. You know what I mean? Because it's like there's stuff you can recognize as like cool ideas. And then the stuff you can recognize as like cool ideas, but they get you like excited. Do you know what I mean? Like, I think that's actually really, really cool. It's a sick idea. I really like it. I like it a lot. I really, really like it. Yeah, I guess though, yeah, maybe I want to do those all within like, yeah, maybe I'll do that all within like one project. Because then I can like reuse the assets like really easily. I know I could reuse the assets anyway, but it'll kind of just like build up a library of frickin' like sprites and objects and whatever. And also I could make transitioning between them like really easily. You know what I mean? Like if you get the win condition, you go to the next room or a random room or whatever, you know? That's sick. I like that a lot. Dude, I like that a lot. That's really, that's very exciting to me. Okay, let me boot up gamemaker. Let me pull it over on the screen over there. And we can get it going, man. We can get it going. Yeah, I like that a lot. I think that's very, very cool. That's got me excited. Very also like, as you're saying, it's like achievable. Do you know what I mean? Like very, very, very achievable. So then maybe yeah, maybe I want to put like, do I want to put timers on? Do I want like WarioWare style timers? That might be, anyway. Rex Platformer December 25. That's what we're looking for. Alright, minimize you. Bring you over here. Steam's trying to tell me to spend money. Alright, let's hop back over to Skibbity Bop 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 over here, and it should be. I have a scene called Second Screen. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright. Rock and roll, baby. Rock and roll, baby. Cool. Do I have that on my... No, it's all on my mic. Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I think that's very cool. So maybe... Maybe we can do that then. Maybe when we start putting in like as your electric umbrella. How's it going? Welcome into the Rex the Dog Zone. Woof woof woof, bark bark bark. Dude, the joke's getting old, man. Alright, then, okay, cool. So we want maybe a kind of, you know, list of stuff that feels achievable, right? So we've got like number one, which is like reach the flag. So we've got that in. We've got reach the flag, and then we can kind of think of other sort of pretty achievable things that maybe we could like chuck in there. Because I'm trying to think of like what we understand already. Like what sort of like things we've learned. So we've basically got the idea of like okay, so micro game ideas, right? And then if we start looking at you know, what do we call them, like skills learned. Thank you, Val. It's like, I don't care. It's just like, it's just a bit old, right? So we got skills learned. So what do we got so far? So we've got like player movement. We've got player movement has been learned. We have object causes death. We did that. And we've done reach goal. Yeah, no. Yeah, it would have just, yeah. It's just kind of boring, isn't it, Val? I'm with you. Thank you. Yeah, you need breakable blocks and walls that bounce to the ball, and a player object. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, there's like a lot going on, isn't there? Yeah, no, exactly. Because you start thinking of stuff. Yeah, maybe let's call that mechanics learned. We got player object. Yeah, like object causes death. Player movement. Sorry, object causes death and reach goal. Yeah, you're exactly, because something like that, you start to like bring in loads and loads and loads of other stuff. The Ruthian inflatable fan dryer. Hello. I'm always weird about capitalization. Let's not do capitalization. Cool. So game maker tutorials. So let's kind of see what other stuff, you know, might be breaking it down into chunks like that. That might be kind of cool. Collision fusions. Collisions. Actually, you know what? You know, it might be kind of interesting. Because it would still just be using these goals, these sort of skills which are already learned. It would still just be using player movement, object causes death, reach goal. It would be interesting to see if it can make like a vertical stage, like a scrolling stage, right? Because at the moment this is all just like one screen, right? How do we actually make an environment that scrolls? So it might be like kind of different enough to make a reach the flag, but we're traveling vertically up, right? And like scroll through. So like the new thing to learn here would be a scrolling screen. So it's kind of like get upwards, sort of like you know, you think of something like Kid Icarus or something like that. I'm gonna rename this. No, I'm just gonna keep it room 1. Whatever. Because I've got that, like, sequential room thing going on. Room 2. So that was room 1. Okay. And then this is room 2. These file names, man. Dead Childcare / crafting recipes. Which game's that? Which game's that, Val? What are you talking about? How did I do background again? Open the tour. Oh, okay, background was just like, I get you. Oh, I had a sprite background. Did I? This War of Mine. I think you've talked about that before, no? Okay, why did that, like... Oh, because of the size of the room, right? 320, 180. There may be many ways to solve that problem. First thing is have a camera object, so you're not constricted by 90 style limitations, but the important part is choosing ways, sticking to it. Yeah. It's like, it's yeah, of course. Because you start like mishmashing these kind of things, it's gonna get messy, isn't it? So, horizontally scroll screen. Backgrounds control the object. Each background layer moves at a different speed depending on the depth of the player moving. Oh, is that music? Is that music in the background? Yeah, no worries. No stress, no stress, no stress. Okay, so I kind of want to look at. Yeah, see, like this kind of thing looks good, right? Oh, they're just parallaxing there. The closer the value is one, the slower the background will scroll because the background will follow the camera move closely. If you set a lower value, it will scroll faster. Set 0 doesn't have any effect, meaning it goes the same speed as any other layer. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's like a Mega Man stuff. Yeah. I mean, it's not even what I want to do right now because like I know I basically like I don't know how we. Yeah, I don't know how cameras work basically. I mean, I don't know anything, do I? Here we go. When creating rooms in gamemaker, you need to set up different viewports and or cameras to control to display the player. The viewports are basically little windows into your game that enable you to show parts of the room, either scale to 1:1, and as such, they are essential when your game room is larger than the display size. The cameras are what define exactly what will be shown in each viewport. GameMaker incorporates 8 independent viewports, numbered from 0 to 7, an unlimited number of cameras, of which only 8 can be active at any time, one assigned to each available ports, although normally you only need 1 or 2 ports. Cameras can show different parts of the same room and can be achieved and deactivated as well as assigned to viewports at any time. I mean, you can use cameras to draw HUD elements or to have split screens, effects, or create cutscenes, for example. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I'm following. Essentially, you position a camera within a rule to view area of the room visible to it, and then the view is drawn to a viewport. Not only the viewport can be a different size to the camera view, The viewport can be a different size of camera view. As such, you can distort and scale the camera view if it's smaller than... if it's a size other than one viewport. It's easy to get confused when talking about cameras, views, and viewports to clarify. The camera, a point within the room that will be used to set how the room is displayed, typically with position, orientation, field of view, aspect ratio. The view, what the camera sees, based on position, projection, rotation of the camera. The viewport, the area of the screen where the camera view will be displayed. If you're adding cameras to the room editor, it's the room, is that like a tool? Okay. Then you need to retrieve the camera ID using the view camera variable. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can then manipulate the view using functions below, and you can even destroy the default cameras if required, although you need to assign a new camera to the view, otherwise you'll get some very unpredictable behavior. You can then manipulate the view using the functions below, and you can even destroy the default cameras if required. Okay. Cameras added to a viewport in the view editor are global in scope, meaning they're created once you start the game, and as you enter each room, they are set to the values set in the room editor. So if you destroy a default camera in any room, it'll still exist for all rooms. Something to know about cameras and viewports is the total area of the bounding box. The bounding box. I don't know what that is. For all active viewports in the first room of the game is what defines the background canvas size. And any areas that are not covered by a viewport will default to using the window color as illustrated by the image below. Oh, so it just puts a background. Is that what it means? Oh dear. So what have I even got the... Because I think... I've got all my, not sprites, objects. Okay, I've got a window set size. Okay, so whenever my player is there, I've got a window set size of 12720. Okay. Cool. Now, all that's good, because all this... Although I can get rid of all this, like, boost crap, because I just, like... It couldn't get that to work. So we can get rid of that. And just check it out real quick. To see if that's close to doing anything we wanted to do. Because I was messing around with it all 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, whenever it was. Yeah, like, that's good. That's still... That's still chill for reach the flag. Cool. And then that sends me to room 2. Great. Okay, so... Simple question. What if I make the height of this, for example, 360? Is there, like, a built-in camera? Let's try real quick. Whoa. Oops. Room 2, please. How do I put you in again? Oh, because I'm on the background layer. Okay, instances. Okay, so let's just chuck this in real quick. And for example, we'll put this flag up here because in theory it shouldn't be visible. Oh. Okay. Why is this because I've got this like set up differently in terms of the grid I had before, or I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, let's replay that. Because that hello Drew, because when I'm talking about that, it might have actually solved itself. Or it's gonna get weirdly cropped due to the window size. Let's see. Yeah, that's been like squished and okay. Okay, so that's not giving me a camera. That's just that's just like squishing everything there to fit the dimensions of the window size. So I want to set up a camera to be like this area here. Yeah, it's just squishing everything to being that. Okay. Okay, so we've got viewports and cameras. Here we go. Enable viewports. Viewport 0. Aha! Aha! Hello, Pape. I hope you're doing alright today. No, I didn't mean to run it again. I didn't mean to run the game again. Actually, out of morbid curiosity, let's have a look. Oh, pooped it up. If I don't make that jump, then... Aha! Okay. Okay, interesting. Okay, so now it's viewing all of this. Because I've got, like, the viewport is, like, freaking huge. So it's viewing all of that. Now, if I drop down here, it should just disappear because there's not actually, like, world down there. Oh, he does fall. Okay, interesting. All right, anyway. So I would really want that to be... What am I working with? 1280, 720. $12.80 $7.20. Okay, and then we start. Yeah, no, that tire situation's so annoying, man. I'm sorry that happened. I can't remember. Wasn't there like a? There was a button, wasn't there, to like press to input loads of these repeatedly? Was it like Alt? It was Alt. Although, why am I only able to snap these here? What's my like? Is it something just like my grid setup? What's my grid on this one? 32 snap. Okay, and then here it's 32 snap. Okay. Then what's the issue, bro? Yeah, I'm just confused because here... my grids are... Oh, this looks like it. Yeah, exactly. So I'm kind of confused. That's why I'm kind of, amongst other reasons, a bit confused, you know. But wait a sec, 'cause I want to. I can solve that in a moment. Maybe I can. Let's see. That might be a little bit ambitious, but. I've set the viewport to follow the player object, so I'm wondering... No, that's not what we wanted. At all. And I can't make that jump either. Bah! Alright, so we got a few problems to solve here. So what I had a viewport menu, which I have since lost. I had it over here, dude. Enable viewports. Here we go. Room physics. Oh, you can set you can just set the gravity of the whole room rather than it actually being tied to the object. Yeah, I can just mess around with stuff to make that jump easier, because there's no point in me messing it up. It's confusing, man. I think in the first room, I think I had like room restarts or something. Yeah, I've got I think I've got the same for, I mean, I don't really have a space I can test this out. But I'm pretty sure I've got the same for the floor as well. But I'm trying to, there's multiple things I'm trying to do over here. I don't know what I'd changed here to, change the properties of the grid. Yeah, but I don't think, I might just not have it in room 2. I might not just, I think I have it in room 1. I think I just don't have it in room 2. I might be wrong. I mean, I can delete this and I can check. Or maybe that's the reason why I made it so you couldn't fall. Alright. Alright, bro. No, you're right, I don't. I just fell down there and the game continues. So I don't actually have that. But yeah, bro, dude, a few things here, man. So I remember setting some things so it oh no, maybe it wasn't center. No, it was center point, right? Huh. Let me get a drink real quick. So, what have we got? I mean, I guess I'm just gonna Google it, right? Next to toggle canvas grid, there's a drop down. Modified the grid size, but this is what confuses me, is because my grid is the same on like both. That's what confuses me, because on my room 1. Oh no, my room 1 is 15 by 15. Okay, right. Okay, there we go. All right. I thought I had it the same on both of them. I thought I looked and I was like, oh, they're the same. I was like, what the hell? Okay, there we go. There we go. So now my grid is matching up to the dimension of my dudes. Oh, but now this doesn't want it. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Dude, whatever. Whatever. If I like piled like 10 on top of each other. Yeah, no, nothing related to the, but it's definitely, it's related to the UI of like me like dumping things on this little sort of like toy editor. Do you know what I mean? So there is like, if I was using this like visual editor thing to like, you know, chuck stuff on, it is kind of important, you know? Whatever. Sure. Right. Okay, so now is that code is on the object? Great. So I chuck him in there. I'm just gonna make this. I should be, because that's all global to the object. That should like still all be chill. Fool. Fool. Oh my god. Hilarious. Okay. Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life? What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Right, let's just frickin', because you can't even play your own frickin' game. Let's just move that here. And get rid of this, because it does nothing. Because it does nothing. Alright. Okay, so, I mean, this is all great. Cool. Wonderful. But this viewport is not what we want. Oh, and that's not even doable. But whatever. That's fine. Okay, so what I want is... because this... I'm assuming this white part is enable viewports. Is it using viewport 1? That's the thing, because I would have just thought it would like enable viewports. Aha. Ah, exposition. Ah. But then isn't that 0, 0 up there? I want it to be that, don't I? So which is it? Is that 0? Zero 360. Which text box? Well, it's got here. I'm not super sure what you're talking about, but it does have here like object following is the yellow poop, where it says viewport properties. No, it's not letting me put text in there. Oh, do I want it to be 7? That would make sense, right? Like 720? Would it? 720? No. Like, I want it to be, like, here. I'm not sure if that... I'm not confident on the dimensions. That's the thing. I'm not confident on anything, am I? Oh, I guess... No, because I want to use the dimensions of the room, don't I? Or what the previous room was. Okay, what was the previous room? Okay, I need to make frickin' notes, don't I? So... Room 1 is 1366 by 768. Okay. No, but that was just me looking at the viewport again, wasn't it? Like, I just want it to, like, display here, you know? You know what I mean? Like, I just want it to, like, view here. So I just want the camera just wants to be here. No, the camera wants to be everything, right? Is that what it is? I want the camera to look at everything. Like, I want the camera to look at the whole screen. But I want the viewport to be the sort of widescreen dimension. And then I've got it set to object following, and so the viewport would... I don't know whether it's the viewport that follows or the camera. I guess it's going to be the camera, right? Well, actually, no, I'm guessing nothing. I got no frickin' idea, man. I got no idea. I'm just going to take some research, right? I mean, I said this before, but I probably should be getting, like, a book and be, like, following along to a book or something, because I'm in a position of, like, self-teaching when, like, I don't know shit about shit. Do you know what I mean? So it's somewhat tricky, right? it do be somewhat tricky. I'm trying to even get my head around... Well, yeah, I'm trying to get my head around everything, aren't I? Trying to get my feeble head around everything. Concept of a viewport. Yeah, so what it was saying about a viewport was... This was our little summary. So the camera, a point within a room that's used to set how the room is displayed. The view is what the camera sees. And then the viewport is the area, is the part of the view which is displayed. So I guess, like, in this sort of diagram they've got here, so you've got the view here, and then your viewport might be to just display that section there. So from what I'm understanding is I think the viewport is like the crop of what you're doing. The viewport can be a different size to the camera view, and as such can distort and scale the camera view if it is a size other than 1/1 of the viewport. Yeah, because what they were saying here is they were saying this engine allows 8 viewports. And so what you can do is you can use the cameras to draw HUD elements or have split screen effects or create cutscenes, for example. So you can be showing like up to 8. You can have 8 of these different, you know. You've got 8 of these ports for views. I'm assuming that you can like fill up with whatever you want, right? To display like whatever you want, however you want it. Camera create count, and then I got a bunch of. So obviously you'll be able to write it all in the code, but I was just like, oh dude, there's actually just like you know, this viewport, whatever we call it, settings, yada yada, like built into the room editor or whatever this is called. So I thought, oh hey, maybe I can like mess around with this. Yeah, dude, I need to freaking educate myself because it's like I'm so at a loss. I'm so at a loss, and like I don't. I feel those like I feel like those other ones where just like changing like the assets is it's like I'm not really doing anything. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. The viewport is like, do you want this camera to be full screen or picture in picture or with transparency, and that can be the compass display or yeah. I'm following that. Yep. Then I don't understand why, but it has this object following. Why would it have this object following if it's not viewport stuff? Because is that not, if it's like object following, does that not just mean like, oh, it's like, you know, the center of the viewport is like fixated on the yellow block? It's not doing shit. Because I think I've got all these dimensions wrong for Oh, and now that, like, has froze the hell. Oh, because I think my next camera's, like, broken as hell. Oh, because I didn't have that visible. Well, yeah, I think I need these positioned to that, right? Is that what it is? I need it positioned to, like, down here. So what was down here? Down here was... like, 0.36 or whatever, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. And then my width would be... whatever room 1 was. Dude, how do I check the size of my frickin' room? $320,180. Aha. Okay, but I want it to be like down here, because what's that? That's like 355 or something. No. Now I just feel like I'm playing the guessing game. Oh, because it's the top block. Okay, because it reads from top left to yeah. It starts top left, doesn't it? It's like 210. No, like 190, 180. Looks good enough. 180. Okay, looks good enough. All right, maybe that's. Yeah, because that's kind of confusing because I need to set what the top left is. So, no, doesn't like that. Does not like that. Persistent? What do you mean by persistent? Like I've got my like display what I want it to be because it's like it's locked around that. That's what I want. Cool. I take this off. Let's just check that like room 1 and room 2 still like frickin' connect. Yeah, okay. So it's those viewport settings which is like poo poo caca. Right. So I'm guessing I probably need something in the code which is like, you know, use viewport whatever. I'm assuming. Like something like that is what I want. Gamemaker code for. Oh, don't worry, it's all good. So this is what I want in. Hey Roman, how's it going, dude? Oh, this is like a whole ass. This is exactly what I'm trying to do. Yeah, no, for sure, Fireball. I just thought because like, I thought it was like maybe doing that like automatically because like, I like clicked that button. Do you know what I mean? Like I thought it was being incredibly kind. Okay, so that's what I was reading before. Okay, cool. By default, down project story, blah blah blah. I shouldn't go blah blah blah. I should actually read it. Like I shouldn't like just go, oh yeah, blah blah blah. It's like no, dude. Like actually, like try and read, you numbskull. All right. Visible. Oh, is it because I didn't like set it to like both of them? I don't think it's gonna open. Oh, it did. It just doesn't like the... Okay. But I had no object following there. Can I, like, remove it? Maybe that's worth something. No. Okay. Okay, so. Actually, curiosity. No, let's not do that. Have I got multiple viewports on? Is that an issue? Did I, like, accidentally tick more than one? I don't think I did, because I don't think I ever even opened these. Hey Matthias, how's it going, dude? Trying to make games. Been on gamemaker a few times. Dude, how much time have we spent on gamemaker? I've got like a little... You can look over here. I think I've spent quite a few hours on this so far, and I don't really feel... I got much to show for it. Yeah, we spent like 8 hours on gamemaker. I do not think I got a ton to show for it, but whatever. We'll get somewhere. We'll progress, man. Rexware will exist. Okay, I was reading this, wasn't I? Okay. Well, to be fair, this might be causing us issues. To be fair, this may be a little bit of a source of our problem. Aha! Okay. Can we do that? Can we do that? Okay, so I'm off screen. That's kind of the issue. There I am. I'm coming on screen. All right. Okay. So I need the tracking camera is the issue there, because I just knew he was there, so I navigated him up. Okay. So for some reason it did not like. Oh, no, because I set that to that. Wait. I set that to the wrong viewport. Wait. I think this does it all for you. Yes! Okay, there we go. There we go, man. Cool. Okay. Yeah, there we fucking go, man. Anything's possible. With the power of God and anime on our sides, anything's freaking possible, man. Let's go. Okay. There we go, man. Now we're frickin' talking. Wait a sec, I'm gonna... $320, $360. No, $320, $180. What an absolute win. Yeah, I saw your Steam thing like opening and closing quite a bit, Van. Val, I thought you must be having a problem or something. Hey there, Milo. How's it going? Wait. 15. Wait. Get out of here. Oh, I did that way too big. I did that way too big. Okay, wait. What have I undone? What have I become? Na 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 na. Da na 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 na. No. That's great, Rex. You freaking fool. Close enough. Okay, so I think we've achieved our dreams. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, that was actually sick. That was yeah. I shouldn't have second guessed myself there. Amazing. All right. So my next. We've got reach the flag. Reach the flag. Horizontal. Okay, here's kind of ideas that I've got in my brain, okay? Here's kind of ideas I've got in my brain. Though it okay, we got camera follows player. Cool. So here's what I'm thinking. Because I'm thinking like, okay, like whatever I do like next, you know, whatever I make the true room 3, okay, the true room 3, before it gets to the windscreen, is kind of things I'm thinking about in my head right now is some sort of like collectible equals point. That's an idea that I've got. Is like, okay, you like collect this thing and you get points in exchange for it. So collectible equals point is kind of an idea that I have. Another idea I have is roaming enemy. Now I think roaming enemy might be the next logical step, because roaming enemy is going to use the principles of object causes death. It's using the principles of object causes death, but just basically having object have a path. So these are kind of like so roaming enemy feels like the next logical idea for me, because then it's basically just like, okay, we make the spikes, but now we make the spikes like, you know, go from left to right or whatever, or you know, eventually when the spikes, you know, a future one would be like, oh, the spikes see you and they come towards you. Collectible equals points is a great one. It's half the boost power up you couldn't figure out. You have to increase the variable, but you don't have to read from it this way. You can make it Goomba, where it just hits the thing and it flips around. Yeah, true. Yeah. So I think these are what I'm gonna kind of aim for next. I feel these feel logical next steps. And I can do either of these on a I could do these on like a scrolling no, I put reach the flag horizontal. It's vertical, wasn't it? Vertical. Something else to like chuck in here is like to-do list. Assets. Is assets 1T? I think it is. Yeah, they'll also start to look a bit nicer if I actually like chuck in some frickin' little dudes. But at the moment we're gonna hang out with just the little chunky dudes. The little colors, sorry. But no, that feels good. I do want to kind of make sure I understand why that works. Oh, I guess because... Oh, because I think what was going wrong is I think I had my camera to be set like smaller than... I think my viewport was looking out of bounds of the camera. Like, I think I had it set so my camera was like looking at this, but then I was asking my viewport to pick up all the way down here. And so I think that's why it was just going like, it was just freezing. And when I was doing the transition from room 1 flag to room 2 flag, it just pooped the bed. Because I think what I had was my camera set to like look here, and my viewport was looking there. I think that's what was going on. And then I was also asking it to follow the object, so I think it was just asking it to do multiple things at the same time. I think I want these two to be set the same, and then down here. You still misunderstand the viewport. I do? Is the viewport not just telling you which bit of the camera? Like what dimensions of the camera to like view? I can't set the viewport to some ingrained coordinates. Oh, okay. So I'm not like, because I have to think of the image, right? And what I'm cutting out of the image. Okay, right. Yeah. I think I get you. Oh, viewport coordinates you spot a screen, it will show up on. Ah. Okay. I get you. So I could have like viewport 0. Right. So I could set viewport 0 to show up on this side of the screen, and viewport 2 to set up on this side of the screen. So I could have viewport 0 following player 1 yellow block, and I could have viewport 1 following like orange player 2 block, and I could have like split screen over here. So like yellow runs over there, and it's being displayed for this side of the screen. Yeah, I get you. Yeah. Okay. Understood. Okay. Oh, I just also realized I've got chroma key on for blue being invisible. I just realized that. So you can see like the dog bones behind there. Because that's for playing Pokemon. Okay. Yeah, and viewport 7 be the mini-map. Gotcha. Ah! Yeah. So I could have viewport 7 being the whole world. So I could have viewport 7 be all this. I could have viewport 7 be everything. And I have that crop to just be like up here. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah. No, the reason that's the case, Fireball, is because when we're on this here, when we're on this website over here, I have this on the go. So they've got like chroma, so we can have these guys here, and I just forgot to like turn that off. Yeah, that's why the case with that is. Okay, cool. No, okay, all right. So that also opens up more things. That opens up more future ideas. I'm gonna put those on the list because I might forget them. So future ideas, mini map. Future ideas, split screen co-op. Yeah, no, that's like a learning moment. Yeah, exactly. No, like legitimately, it's legitimately like that moment where it goes like. At Chaka, we've been playing around with gamemaker. I'm trying to do this every Saturday, where I just kind of like learn some stuff and slowly build something up. They're just blocks at the moment, but I guess in the future we'll make it like we'll make it themed. We'll make it thematical. But we got like, you touch the spikes, you die. This was like, oh no, I died. And you got to reach the red flag, and it's like bum. So it's the first little thing we made. And then we made the second one here where we actually got like a camera, so it allows us to move up the screen, and the camera follows us. So we're doing loads of exciting things. You win. I guess another thing I do want to add onto the to-do list is what do we call it? Like falling equals death? Whatever. I need to add that condition for frickin' if I fall off there, fall off the side of the screen, because at the moment we just got this on the go. At the moment we've just got, if I drop off the side here, which we will display in level 2. Well, can I jump over that? No. If I drop off the side here, it's like, ah. Oh no, dude! What would be kind of funny? Yes, exactly. Yeah. No, exactly. If I can do like a split screen thing, it'd be kind of cute. And one for keyboard, and then another for controller. Yeah, I like it. That said, No, I'm just gonna not do that. I just thought it'd be funny here to if I make it deep here, when I fall, there'll be like a big fall, which I just think's kind of funny. Ah! Like I just kind of, I'm just kind of into that. Cool. All right, people, happy with that? No, dude, happy. Like, you know, I was feeling like, are we gonna achieve anything? Yeah, you can fall to the right as well. Yeah, exactly. So I need to. I've got that on the like the to-do list, but I think. Yeah, I think this like collectible equals point. We can try next week, but I'm gonna see if I can find like a good YouTube channel. You know, like a good YouTube channel that I can like, you know, like watch in the evenings or something like that, and see if I can sort of amass some information rather than just like going into the stream like, oh yeah, dude, that's a funny thing, right? Yeah, that's a fun idea. Sound effects. Yeah, that's a fun idea. I like that. No, but I think it's cool because I think you can just build up a bunch of crap like this. And obviously it's all very platformery centric at the moment. Like these are just two like different platformy things. But as build up different things, can kind of jumble them up and put them in a different order, and then have it sort of like WarioWare style, like you said. Full sound effects when player reaches certain Y speeds is the way to do it. Yeah, that makes sense now. Yeah, I like it. Okay, cool. I'm happy today. I started off very concerned. I started off very worried. But something was achieved today, and that idea by Fireball is definitely like that's a game changer for me. I like that a lot. I really like that a lot. I can just have all these like goofy little things I make over time and jumble them all together, and then boom, you've got like a silly little WarioWare kind of experience. And I'm gonna keep this as we go, because I can kind of look at like, okay, kind of know how to do these things. What's like the next iteration of just like, oh, I can put like these 3 things together or these 2 things together or whatever. Like we did do some stuff like way back when with the like the asteroids clone and stuff like that, so you can always kind of like pull things from that as well, and also like put some of those elements like into this and whatever. Okay, feeling motivated, feeling excited. feeling pretty excited. Okay, cool. All right, nice. I consider that brain a little bit fried. But especially from sort of working publicly as well, but feeling good about that. No, happy boy. Let's freaking go. Okay, so double checking I've got everything saved, man. I don't want to lose any of the magic, you know. Do not want to lose any of the magic. Alright, let me switch things up a little bit here. But yeah, no, the suggestions are like super appreciated. They are like super appreciated. And yeah, does motivate a lot, for real. Okay, I'm gonna boot up a couple of things over here. Get rid of some of these windows, because I got just windows all over the frickin' place. Get rid of that. Get rid of all these bad boys. Boing, 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 boing. We hop over here. Cool. Okay, a little bit worried about what we're jumping into next, but I'm worried about killing a ghost. We'll see what happens. Can a ghost truly be killed? Sir, will you load? Por favor? Okay, gotta close that. Oh no, we're good. Alright, over here. Cool. Alright. Let's give him that. Alright. I think we're good. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Dum-ba-da-dum. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. Pokemon Red. Pokemon Vision Red. Alright, we good. We are better than good. We're laughing our way all the way to the bank. Continue. Pocket Monster Red, exactly. Okay, so we were trying to level up Big Chicken a bit. Oh my lord. Pokemon Blue. Yeah, we need the self scope. No, not Bill. Not William's PC. Wait a sec, I want to change over the audio here. There we go. Withdraw the scope of self. Oh, did I take it out? I must have took it out already. Yeah. Okay. Dude, you guys, I mean, maybe you do, because I keep rambling on about it. But I've been having frickin' fun with this game, man. Like, for real. Yeah, dude, I think it's time, right? I'm worried about, like, cause these guys are beefy. Metapepe and Gilbert are beefy. So I'm worried about one-shotting. That's my concern. Is I'm worried about one-shotting like a Ghastly or something. But I guess I can try Poison Powder and like a dude. Let's just try it, man. Who have I got leading? Metapepe, yeah. To be fair, I'm not like, even if we end up like not catching certain Pokemon or whatever, I think we're all good. Because there's gonna be a lot of dudes I don't use. Okay, let's just get our random encounter out of the way, right? Let's catch our Pokemon. Let's just pull off the frickin' Band-Aid. Come on. Alright, who we getting? Ghastly. Alright. We're looking at Pokemon Tower. We're looking at Ghastly. Alright. Let's do this, bro. He can get poisoned, right?
Can he get poisoned? Like, can he even be poisoned? I don't like this. I'm getting stressed. I don't like this, man. I don't want to one-shot this thing. I'm gonna one-shot him. I'm worried. I'm frightened. Do I just chuck great balls? I do! I just chuck great balls. It doesn't matter. Nothing matters. Nothing matters. Ghastly, what do we call this guy? Maybe we call him like, what was it called? Viewport? maybe I call him Viewport. maybe he's Viewport. Actually, to be fair, it kind of makes sense because you can only see him with the self scope. You can only see him with the camera. I think Viewport makes sense. I think there's logic. Did you see the vision? Did you see the vision? Okay. There we go. He's captured. Very good. You see the vision with the viewport, exactly. There's like a... I'm gonna go back and heal because I'm a coward. I'm gonna go back and heal because I'm a freaking coward. Cubone! I don't know what the percentages are here. Like, I don't know what the... For like the dudes. I'm gonna go heal because I'm a coward. I'm like Scooby-Doo. That's why I main Scooby-Doo on Fortnite. Okay, cool, we got Viewport. Let's go, man. I mean, is he ever gonna get used? That becomes a question. that becomes a question. Dum da da dum. I really want to get a Doduo off the frickin' cycling road or whatever we want to call it. I really want to get a Doduo. I want to get one of the Snorlaxes. I do want to get I want to get the Lapras from the Silphco. Many things I would enjoy. I'd like the XP all, but I don't see that happening. Like 50 Pokemon, we're on like, I think we're on 20 now. Like, I just don't see it happening. I'd enjoy it though. I don't know, man. Dude, what a great day I'm having today. What a great day. What a great day I'm having today. Feel happy. 37. 6-7. Did I fight you? No, I didn't. Cool. Thought I didn't. Thought I didn't. Thought I didn't. Chaneler. Chaneler. Okay. Yeah, Gilbert. Gilbert, go and use Ember. We'd love to see it. Lick? You gonna lick me? In the big 2026? Take that. A 9% Ghastly, 1% Horn, and 9% Cubone. Interesting. Dude, and I've seen 2 Cubones. That's wild. No Cubone. Is there no Cubones at all in yellow? Interesting. Dum, dum, dum. The big chicken. The big, big chicken. Burn, baby, burn to the disco inferno. Burn, baby, burn. Dun. Da-na-na-na. I think, yeah, oh, I was about to say, I think it's real soon. I think it's real soon. And I think Pidgeot is like, I don't think it's too high. It's maybe like 23 or something like that. It's not too high. Pokemon Yellow is a good game. Pokemon Yellow is good. The third version games are generally like... Pokemon Emerald's so good, man. Pokemon Emerald is so good. Don't love that. Don't love that. We just run. Nice slowdown, Rex. Nice little bit of slowdown. Okay, but like, think you decide you vote for any of the 2-3 RBY? Yeah, if I'm remembering correctly, Fireball, to complete Yellow, you need to do some trades with Blue. If I've got this right, I think Blue. I can't remember specifically what it was, but I think if you've got Yellow and Blue, you can do everything in like one playthrough of each, because you get all 3 starters covered in Yellow, and then you're just missing a couple of specific Pokemon that aren't in Yellow, which are available in Blue, and then you can also get like the other fossil from Blue. I think there's like a Pokemon missing, like it's like a Magmar or something like that, which isn't in red. I'm pretty sure I'm right, Fireball, because I think it's one Pokemon like a Magmar or something like that, which you need to get from a Blue specifically. And I think it's the same thing with Crystal. I think you can do a Crystal and Silver, because I think it's Mareep. I think it's Mareep, which is the one that becomes like tricky to get, and I think Mareep is a Silver only Pokemon. I might be wrong. Bum 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 bum. Matter PP. Da da da. Da na 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 na. Haunter! Cool sprite, man. So freaking cool. Awakening. I'm pretty sure I'm right. Because I'm because I did a 150 Pokedex on Pokemon Yellow, like maybe like 4 years ago, 5 years ago. I'm pretty sure I'm right, and I think that's what I did. I think I think all I needed to get. Oh, I'm way more confident about way more confident about Yellow than Crystal. But I'm pretty sure that's what I did. Boom. But maybe it's both. Maybe you actually need both. Maybe I'm wrong. But I'm pretty sure I just like all I needed was the other fossil. The other fossil. The other fossil, the magma or whoever, and then obviously the trait evolutions. If I lose after stream playthrough, playing the 2 games that can't complete a full Vodax, that's wild. That's wild. That's a big bet. That's time consuming. Oh, I'm getting unsure now. And I like gambling. What am I putting on the line here? What have I got to do? I already do so much. Okay. I feel I must be wrong. No, I feel you know something I don't know. Oh, maybe I glitched. Because I know I definitely did the glitch for Mew. Like, you know how, like, trainer IDs are linked to, like, certain Pokemon numbers and all that crap? I know I did that thing on, you know, the dude just past Nugget Bridge? Take a shot of olive oil. Oh, my lord. I'm already 95% olive oil. Hey, level 19, let's go. I should probably go heal again. Impostles, Pokemon, rest in peace. Yes, may they, please. Yeah, Val, you're opening and closing your game. You're opening and closing your game for sure. Big chicken, enough. Enough. Screw this, man. Obviously, Crystal, you wouldn't be able to get all the Cantonians without red and blue, you know. Is that what we call them, the Cantonians? The Cantonians. Let me go heal. The Cantonese, yeah. Some of the mods work, but not all. What crazy mods are you trying to add in? The world of modding. I was just saying that, like, obviously with Crystal, there's Pokemon that don't exist in that generation. Though I think it's essentially just like the legendaries. The legendaries, I know you can get an Aerodactyl in Crystal, in Gen 2. I know there's like a girl you can trade for an Aerodactyl, but like Kabuto and Omanyte, like you gotta get those from Gen 1 traded over. And like the legendaries and the starters. Yeah, you can't get the Kanto starters at all. You can't get you can't get the frickin' the legendaries. And you can't get Omanyte and Kabuto. I think that's it. I think everybody else like exists somewhere within the Gen 2. Good afternoon, Zani. I think that they exist within that sort of ecosystem somewhere. Bum 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 bum. Crafting and looting. Does anybody play extraction shooters? Does anyone play any of these extraction shooter things? I know they're kind of popular now. Like, to like Tarkov and Arc Raiders and all this stuff. It's kind of popular now. I'm sick of this confusion, man. I'm just not bothering. Yeah, I picked that up yesterday. That's exciting. Yes, yeah, of course. Of course, yeah. I mean, the thing is, Fireball, as well, that is, like, that's how the Pokedex is actually organized on that game. Like, Chikorita is number 1. And they have them in this, like, Johto Pokedex. And then, and, yeah. And then it unlocks, like, the National Dex afterwards. I get you. Oh, there's been restrictions in the Division. Have you played Spec Ops The Line? Have you played this game, Spec Ops The Line? Because, I've got a buddy who's been playing it, and they keep... I think they're replaying it. And they're just going on about, like, the game's kind of, like, aggressively average, but the writing's really good. Like the actual gameplay is just kind of just, like, whatever. The gameplay's just, like, fine. You know what I mean? It's nothing, like, super extremely special. But supposedly the writing on it's, like, really, really good. Like, the story is, like, peak. Much like the game Peak. Oh, I'm in a trainer battle. Okay, sorry. Sorry for getting confused. Yeah, the story's, like, good. Yeah, so that's what I was saying, yeah. Thank you. I was getting scared there of a confusion plus critical hit that kills me. Which now I'm... Dude, this sucks. Yeah, it's in Gen 2. It's in Gen 2 from the start. Chikorita comes out as number 1. And then when you get to Kanto, when you cross the border to Kanto, Professor Oak updates your Pokedex. And then so when you open Pokedex on the menu, you can press select to move backwards and forwards between them. So the regional Pokedex thing and the numbering thing, that's actually been in since Gold. Oh, sick! I did not know that was here. Oh, well, that's freaking wonderful. Thank you. White magic, let's go. Give me your soul. Dun 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 dun. No fireball from the start of the game. From the start of the game. No, from the start of the game. So when you get Chikorita at the start of the game, he is Pokedex number 1. He's Pokedex number 1. He doesn't become Pokedex number 152 until you get to Kanto. And you talk to Professor Oak. Then your Pokedex changes. She's just playing it, but if you want it digitally, you have to get an online downloader. It's been pulled off many storefronts because its license is expired. Oh! So it's like a game you can't even get anyway. I don't think you can switch right away. I think you can switch when you talk to Professor Oak. Like in Kanto. Or it's something in Kanto. In Ruby and Sapphire, it basically locks you into the new Pokedex numbering. Because they're trying to move away from, like, the previous 251, but mainly because you can't get them all yet. Yeah, so I'm guessing it's not even... Yeah, so it must just be on no... It's on no storefronts. Oh, that's interesting. I'd probably just emulate it then, right? It's like emulate the 360 version or something. Oh, that's crazy. But yeah, he was talking. He was very much saying what you were saying there. Of it's just like aggressively average, just like shooter game. It's just like, you know, whatever, like fine. But the like the story and stuff's like really, and like presentation's like really good. So I was like, oh, it's like interesting. Big chicken level 20, let's go. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Ha. Ha, indeed. I like this dungeon. I think it's cool. I think I like quite a lot of the towers in Pokemon. Like I like Tin Tower, I like Burnt Tower, I like Bellsprite Tower. I like the towers, man. I think the towers are fun. This is, of course, the Pokemon Tower, Oh, you got the GOG Direct Downloader, and the one you just had 5 of the cutscenes muted. Oh, wow. That's wild. So the game is out there, but it's just like they've removed music and stuff. Interesting. That's interesting. Nuggets! Izzy, how's it going? How's it going? We're hanging out, we're playing on... Well, playing. We spent an hour or so on gamemaker, trying to learn, and then we just hop back into the ongoing Pocket Monster quest, which I will say I've been thoroughly enjoying. Trying to train, because my Pokemon team's very unbalanced. Trying to get some other one's leveled up. The entire audio was cut from a cutscene. And all the music was still there, it was just a download. Ah, okay. But is that because of the licensing thing? Meta PP. Don't use if you use confuse right, I'm just gonna run, I just don't care. Okay, cool. Cool. Psy beam. Nice. So, it looks like we're going to be trying to get Snorlax today. I gotta work out which one I'm gonna get. Because I don't want to catch the one on the route with the Doduo. Because I want the Doduo. Oh, it's the download. This goes against all licensing, so all the licensing is still there. Okay. Think I get you. Give me blood. Is this all because of that ghost at the top of the tower? Is it really all because of that one ghost? I don't think you can catch it, can you? I don't think you can catch that ghost at the top. Don't think it lets you do that. Dude, the ray of confusion. Oh boy, how I hate you. Okay. Oh, sick. Yeah. Screw you. Screw you for spamming confuse ray. Is that all you know? You trying to make me kill myself? Vada PP. I love that sound, man. 21. Whirlwind. Electric Umbrella, welcome back into the rec zone. How's it going? We're fighting ghost Pokemon in that Pokemon Tower. The Pokemon Tower. Do. Meta PP. No. Do I just try and fight through the paralysis? I do. We're gonna go back down and use that magical white magic square. Grown. Give me 6. Yeah, exactly. Give me 660 Pokebucks. Give me 660 Pokebucks. Please and thank you. Umber. The shade of night. The night of shade. Oh, poop. Right. Okay, I gotta go all the way around now. Yeah. Because she only moved because of the battle encounter made her step forward. Okay. Fair. Fair and understood. Ghastly. Go, big chicken. No, you can take like a dude. You can have like what I'm doing here. Like have a guy leading during a dungeon and get a pretty respectable amount of XP. Big chicken was nothing before. Cool. Hello. K. Some World of Warcraft stuff, man. Bum, 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 ba-da, bum. Stop paralyzing me. Stop paralyzing me. Paralyzation. Super effective. Oh, actually, dude, Meta PP is gonna clear Sabrina now. Earthquake. Okay, let's ember it up. Ember it up. Don't love that. I need some potions. I feel like I'm in a position where I can do that, right? Like, I don't think that's too crazy. Rare candy. Candy that happens to be rare. Oh, I missed that item. Okay. Beacon intruders. Oh, okay, is this the... Oh, this is it. Okay. I'm happy I used that potion then. This is it. Wait, he doesn't have any crazy moves, does he? Getting a little bit schizo here, getting a little bit worried. Leer. Defense foul, warfare slash. Oh, baby. Oh, you're down, bro. You're down, no? Cool. Mother soul's calmed. Departed afterlife. Okay, there we go. Whoa. I forgot these guys were here. I forgot these guys were here. Mr. Fuji, right? Is that who it is? Mr. Fuji? Zubat. him confused. Hopefully we can get through this no problem. Not confused anymore. Okay, these guys are no issue. Yeah, these guys are no issue at all. Supersonic? Alright, 38, let's go, baby. Oh, I wasn't doing my swap outs, was I? Whatever. See ya, bro. You can not forget it, you can whatever, but I just like whatever. Okay. Gilbert. I don't know where we got the name Gilbert from. I like it though. I just can't remember where we originated the name from, like the origin of it. Okay. Thought he was drowsy. Get embered, drowsy. Big piggy. He's not piggy, he's like an elephant thing, isn't he? No, please, no more. Pokemon are only good for making money. That's not true. Pokemon are fun, you collect them. Ratata. Well, actually, do we tempt fate? No. Let's just continue to one-shot them. Who you guys? Eradicate? Locked in here, man. Oh, wait, no. Bring up Big Chicken again. Come on, Gilbert. I think was there one more guy after this? And I think it's Mr. Fuji, and he's gonna give us the frickin' Poke Flute. Da-da-na-na. Zubat again. Big chicken again. Okay, okay, okay. Don't confuse me, man! I'm not appreciating that. I'm not appreciating that at all. Now! Come on. There we go. That's what we're talking about. You know, getting away with it. I did get away with it. What do you mean? I did, Mr. Fuji. You came here on free will. Alright. Came and consoled the coupons mother. You didn't do much job, did you? I think I dealt with that. Okay. Hello, Mr. Fuji. Rex. Your Pokédex quest may fail without your love for Pokemon. I think this may help you in your quest. The Poké Flute, let's freaking go. Okay, we gotta do some mathematics here. We gotta do some mathematics here. We gotta work out who, No, is nickname guy not Cinnabar Island? Is he Cinnabar Island? I think he's Cinnabar Island, right? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm talking out my ass. Okay, I want to check some stuff, okay? So I got a... I don't know if that gave you a flash of frickin' what's he called? What's he called? Dude, Rex, what's your words? Oh, is he this city? It might be this city. Okay, then maybe you're right. No, is it? This is him, right? Oh, where is he? It might be this guy, no? No, that was Pokemon. That's where I just was, you fool. He's got a hat, right? Not this girl. The Name Raider. Yeah. Dude, take a look at Meta PP. What do you think of that? It's a decent nickname. Would you like me to give it a nicer name? How about it? No. He's there. He's there. He is. Okay, I need to do some. I want to work out where it makes sense for me to catch the Snorlax. Where does it make sense for me to get him? So... Locations. Route 12 and Route 16. Okay. Okay, so Route 12... Route 16, I want to get the Doduo. Okay, so I want to get the Route 12 one. Cool. Yeah, I want to try and get the Route 12 one. Sick. Sick! Sick. Alright. Let me get a couple more. Wait, did I heal? I did, yeah. I just gotta get a few more of these. I'm kind of worried, man. Yeah, because he's kind of crazy. Oh, yeah, we do need to ring that crazy. Yeah, true. We can do that now. That can be done. That can be done. We got Dan the man. Yes. Check out this lad. I think it's like, would you like me to give it one? And then it's like, oh, what should we call it? It's like, am I not doing everything here? There we go. Perfect. Bum 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 bum. Whoops. Deposit. There we go. Cool. Okay, I'm scared about that. I don't want to kill him. He's gonna be using rest a lot. This is gonna be yeah, this is gonna be nuts. I'm worried. I'm worried. Wait, wasn't it to the left? Am I getting this wrong? Maybe, maybe not. There he is. Okay. And we're not gonna save scum or anything, but just, you know, it's just cause just tradition, right? Okay. I'm thinking the other way around, Fireball. Like, I want to catch this one. So, like, I would rather have Snorlax than Doduo, do you know what I mean? So, like, if I have to, I will get the other one. I'm gonna try for this, and then if I mess it up. No, I don't think I need to practice. See, because what I'd rather personally do, Firewall, is I'd rather try and catch this one, and if I fail, I try and catch the other one. Like, I'm not encounter starved. Do you know what I mean? The only other thing I could get in this route is like frickin' Goldines and stuff. So it's like, I'm happy for this guy to be the encounter. You know? I'm just worried about killing him. That's my thing. Is I'm just worried about killing him. So I'm gonna go for it, and do you see what I mean? I'm still, dude. It's like my Ember gonna kill. No, he's really beefy, isn't he? He's really beefy. I don't think that'll kill him. I don't think using Ember will kill him. Maybe it does, and I go, oh no, but we'll see what happens. Attacked in a grumpy rage. I'm gonna try Ember. Yeah, I think he's got like a really, really high HP, right? And he uses Rest a lot. I still want to do Slash, and then Slash is like too beefy. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, cool. I'm gonna try Slash. No, I'm gonna stick with Ember. Ember feels good. Oh! And he's got really low catch rate, right? Oh, shut up!
that was all a big panic for frickin' nothing. Anyone got an idea for a name? Oh my god, let's fucking go. Procyon. Is that like a reference to someone? Procyon. There we go. Ah, there's a sleepy dude. Let's go. Okay, that's sick. Oh, poop. Wait, the one on the other route, he's gonna count as my encounter or no? Unless there's like another route. Can you get to the bottom of Cycling Road? Oh shit. Oh no, because it'd be a dupe. It would be a dupe. It's fine. Is this where you see Articuno? Where do I see Articuno? Or Moltres or whatever it is. Hey. I'm Fresh Rogue's Aid. No, it's a dupe. 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 I only got 23. Womp womp. I don't want the item finder. I don't freaking care. Coffee Dragons, what up? How's it going? Oh, we're back here, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, cool. Alright. This is all good, man. This is all good. This is all coming together, no? Do you want to fight me? You do want to fight me. Okay. Electricity is my speciality. Okay, bro. Good to know. Rocker. Okay, I still don't think he's high enough level to be able to do the moves that I'm scared of. I don't think that's yet. No, I'm not actually switching to him because I'm gonna dump him. I'm gonna be dumping Big Chicken actually. I don't know why I was investing in Big Chicken because I'm probably gonna replace him with another bird, but whatever. Oh yeah, we talked about the end of Hashira training arc the other day. We talked about it the other day, Coffee, and you said you were gonna watch Infinity Castle soon, but like your dad got the wrong language. So you checked it out now. I like to fish. I have a plan for fishing. I have like a plan that I want to... what I want to fish and in what order. Wait a sec. I want to get him in the team. Because he's end game. He's like that... He's like gonna be in the team the whole game. So... yeah, here. Cool. Oh, it's really cool. Some of the animations are crazy. That and, like, Mugen Train, because obviously it's got, like, the really big, like, sort of, like, you know, like, scope for the frickin', like, budget and stuff like that. They're so good, man. Who's King 10? Oh, that's the... I mean, I don't really care. Sure. Where are we at? Dum 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 dum.
Cool. I also want to go back to here and rename that Squeezy. Cool. Alright, we good. Yeah, I want it like he's gonna be a big deal. Headbutt does damage to myself, right? Or is Headbutt like take a turn to like... %. Oh, it has a chance of flinching. That's what it does. It has a chance of flinching. Okay. Cool. Cool. No, but he's gonna be sick because he can learn stuff like Ice Beam and stuff like that, and he's gonna be useful. He's just gonna be useful. Bum bum bum. Stephanie, what's going on? Bum bum ba-dum. Skibidi-ba-boop-bop-beep. It's time to die. Do you know when they're doing the second part to Infinity Castle? Is it next year or is it like going to be a longer wait? Yeah, Dome is really cool. Asgard is sick in that movie. Look, we're the same. Twin. Okay, I want to switch to... Yeah, Gilbert. I wasn't scared with Gilbert before. Okay. Special attack greatly rose. I don't love that. Okay, cool. He's gone. He's gone. You think it's next year? Or at the end of this year? Okay, okay. This is probably like 18 months between the two. I'm scared. Oh no, oh no. Okay, good, 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 good. Oh my god, that was freaking me out. That bar just kept going down. And I was like... Return to the mountains. Okay, he's not dead, he returns to the mountains. Alright, cool. I don't think I've ever seen that dialogue before. Because I don't think I've ever killed a Snorlax. I don't think I've ever killed a Snorlax. So I don't think I've ever seen that dialogue box before. Okay, sick. We're happy. Yeah, I don't know what the ending is, Coffee Dragon's like. I haven't read the manga, so I don't like... I'm just following along with the anime, so I don't know like how it finishes or anything like that. I've managed to avoid all that stuff. There's some stuff where I read the manga for, but generally, for most things, I'm like an anime watcher, you know? Hey. Cycling Road. It's a great ride. Dude, where do I get to see freaking... Is that a thing? Do I get to see Moltres in one of them? I thought I got to see one of the birds in one of them. Whatever. What are you kids doing here? We're going riding together. Okay, great. Good for you. Good for you, I guess. Good for you, I guess. Alright, does this automatically put me on the bike? It does. Okay, cool. Yeah. What do you want? I want to fight you, man. Can I just headbutt you into oblivion? Almost. Basically. Dun, 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 dun. I like his back sprite, it's fun. Dude, this 30% chance of flinching is coming in like... is coming in good. I don't know, man. Cue ball! Wait. Typing. Does fighting hurt normal? Okay, attacking is fighting. Normally, yeah, it's double. Yeah, okay. And fighting's also good against... Okay, cool. Alright, let's bail. I just don't want anything bad to happen, you know what I mean? Yeah, 2 times against normal, yeah. We're not risking any silliness. Especially when they're such close on levels. Now, I believe here I should be like... 'cause this is Route 16, I think? Yeah, I should be guaranteed a duo. But even if I'm... maybe I'm not even gonna do the duo right now. Like, I'm just gonna farm some trainers, at the very least. No, we'll keep meta PP here. Yeah, bug is more effective. That's how it goes, man. I think a bug can beat a fighter? Level 42, let's go, bro. Dude, she's gonna tank. Meta PP is gonna absolutely tank Sabrina, I'm telling you. Diddle-dum. Greetings. Come out and play, little mouse. No. Looks like an annoying cat! Bruh. Dude, there's probably like fan art, man. There's probably people done like quite a lot of like Demon Slayer characters as fursuiters and stuff. Get slashed. Bum, 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 bada, bum, bada, bum. Dude, let me turn on some lights in here. It's getting kind of... It's not dark, but it's just getting a bit darker. It's getting a little bit darker. Biker! Where'd I put my thing? That's over there. Okay, I think bro can take him out. Kind of okay. Am I carrying a bunch of antidotes still? I think I am, right? Flinch him. Oh. Nah, bro, let's switch. Let's just switch.
Bum, ba, bum. Get slashed, man. I'm pretty sure I picked up a pile of antidotes, you know? Yeah, I got plenty. They're there to be used. They're there to be used. Nah, this is... I like areas like this, man, where I got a bunch of trainers to fight, get a bunch of XP. It's good, it's good, it's good. Honestly, I really think that, like, if you, like, pretty sensible with your team and you're not just, like, trying to, like, level up everybody, you can go through the game and you're gonna get, like, enough XP from the trainer battles, you know? Like, it's gonna be enough to kind of help you get to the appropriate levels. And you've got a decent enough spread of your team, right? To kind of cover types. You're probably gonna be able to tackle the gym leaders and whatever without having to, like, intentionally grind or anything like that, you know? Don't disable my headbutt, man. It's my only offensive move. Please. Please and thank you. You got a lot of Grimers, man. You a Grimer fan? Grimer pilled over there? I think a lot of the designs are pretty cool. I need a super potion. Hello. I'm feeling hungry and mean. Dude. Get slashed, mate. Matey. My matey. Did I fight you? I did. The coastal route. Yeah, we got options. We got freaking options on... I like harassing people with my vicious Pokemon. Bro. What's your issue? Yeah, I think I might actually avoid the, Oh, that's the downhill! I forgot about this. Right, and then this is uphill? No, this is downhill as well. Okay. I forgot there was, like, gravity here. Dude, I completely forgot. I am heading to the future. You got a problem with that? Did the hat kind of grow bigger as Duma grow? Did he change the hat? He must have changed the hat, right? I think he got a new hat. Go on, flinch him. Oh, sick, critical hit, even better. Okay, let's see if we can... Actually, these were... Oh, no PP left. Then bail. No PP. I would like to change. I would like my dear Gilbert. My dear Gilbert. I love Pokemon, man. I love Pokemon. I love it. All right. Bum ba da dum da 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 da. Cool. We're bikers, highway stars. Dun 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 da da dun. Look. And I think I might actually fly away and do a heal, just so I get like the PP back and that kind of crap, you know. Minimize. Oh, I like the animation here. Mini. He's mini. He's very mini. Oh, this sucks. Finally. Yeah, we're definitely going to heal now, man. Big chicken. Back to Celadon. Chicka 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 chicka. Ow. Poisoned. It's good to be fighting fit. Bum 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 do 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 diddly skip ba ba boo a wump ba bee bim bum bee. Hello? Sir, I would like to fight you. There we go. What you want, kiddo? Okay, so who's our next, like, boss encounter? Our rival at Silphco, and he's got level 40 Blastoise. Okay. Giovanni, level 41. Sabrina, we're looking at level 43. Would Koga not be a lot weaker? Yeah, Koga's 43 as well. Okay. So stuff's getting a little bit real. A little bit real. Interesting. Okay. Da-na-na-na. I'm gonna have to look at some of those types and stuff like that. Dude, what a sprite. Hey, Carver Dragons, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for coming to say hello. Woo! There's no money in fighting kids. I mean, I got some money. I got some dollar.
Ba-dum, ba-da-da-dum. Is it focusing the energy? If I slash you first, bro. The Primeape! Cool sprite. First Primeape we've seen. Nice. Level 40, bro! Dude's hitting the big time. Burned out, damn right. Down we go. Hello, sir. Let Voltorb! Nah, dude, we're gonna headbutt the hell out of him, forget about that. Need some headbutts. Volt Orb. The Orb! The Mega Orb. Sonic Boom! Dude holding on! Dude holding on, right? Checking out another orb. Dude, game went a bit creaky there. Went like froze. I'm gonna save after this, man. Did not love what happened there. Flinch him, flinch him, flinch him. There we go, man. Is it only got 15 PP on the frickin' on the headbutt? So it's not great. Down we go. My Pokemon won't evolve. Why? Well, maybe let's see what you've got, bro. Because they might be Pokemon that don't evolve. So let's see what you got. Oh, because you gotta trade him, bro. Because you gotta trade him. If you want that lad to evolve, you gotta trade him. Spencer, man, nice to see you still hanging out. Oh shit! 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 That was nearly bad. That was nearly really bad. Oh my lord, we nearly lost the Snorlax just as we got him. Oh my god, dude, Rexman. You're falling asleep at the wheel. Dude, Cyclone Road be kinda big, right? Did you just say be a rebel? Rex Rebel Heart? Maybe this is the area I would be hanging out on, you know? Okay, Meta PP. Bum, 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 bum. Dee da dee da do da do. Wow, no, 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 wow, wow, wow. Choke. I'm just gonna stick with Meta PP. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Defeated Cuball. Arrgh. It's a notice. Don't throw the game, throw Pokeballs instead. Makes sense. Get lost, kid, I'm bushed. What's that mean, to be bushed? To be bushed? Baiko wants to fight. Oh, dude, also something I forgot to do is I forgot to actually evolve on the graphic. This guy. This guy evolved. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. But use Wheezing. Use Wheezing, man. Use Wheezing. Happy for you, Wheezing. Raider Sonic, how's it going? Hope you're doing good today. Playing a little bit more Pokemon today. Continuing our Pokemon adventure. We called a Snorlax, which I'm very happy about. We called a Snorlax today. We also called a Ghastly today. So we got a couple new Pokemon in the party, which I'm happy about. We're still on 4 gym badges. So we still got half the gym badges to go in the Kanto region. But no, this Snorlax I'm very happy with. Big meaty boy. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. I will search Pokemon just to be safe. Bring up that PP. Dum dum dum. Bum bum bum. Dum da da dum da 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 dum da da dum. Cool, $500. I will take that happily. Whoop. So, is this now Fuchsia City? Is this look at the Safari Zone? Peltown's to the west. I'm looking for Slowbro. Want to trade for a Lickitung? No. No. Where am I? Route 18, Celadon City Fish. Okay, so what's going on Route 18? Oh, this is another opportunity guy to do. Okay, cool. I respect it. Wow, Fuchsia City be very fuchsia, no? Oh yeah, you have to cut to get to the Pokemon Center here, right? It's kind of goofy as hell. We're at the center. We're at the center. I might do Safari Zone while I'm here, just like see what I get. I mean, like Safari Zone, I've got absolutely no. There it is. I've got absolutely no like hopes or expectations for the Safari Zone, but I'm totally willing to go in there and like give it a shot, see what we can grab. Like we get an Execute in there. I mean, freaking cool. But yeah, man, I just don't think based on these like Nuzlocke rules that we're playing, I don't think a Safari Zone encounter is likely, right? I think I'm just gonna go in there and chuck Safari Ball and see what happens. Like, not overthink it. Oh, this is the guy who gives you strength, right? Oh, I actually have to go through the Safari Zone, don't I? Because I have to get the, Oh, dude, what is it? I have to, like, give him, like, a bottle of water or something, or find his glasses, or there's some crap, right? There's something I'm supposed to do.
The secret house, right? Like, it's all coming back now, right? The gold teeth. The gold teeth. That's it, man. The gold teeth. Yeah, you find this dude's gold teeth because there's a guy in a house who's like and he can't talk, and you find his gold teeth here, and you can and he like, yeah, and you can like play the game. But I don't know if I gotta surf to get over there. So area 3. Safari Zone red map. Yeah. It's what I'm saying. You gotta go and get these gold teeth. And then you give the gold teeth to the guy and he gives you surf. So it's the way you get an HM. So we'll go do that now, and if we catch a Pokemon on the way, like, freaking great. But as I said, I've got no expectations that the Safari Zone is gonna deliver. Actually, dude, that being said, you know what I want to do? I want to deposit stuff in the box, because if I start picking up a bunch of crap along the way and I can't even grab it, that's going to be hella frustrating. Yeah, this has been one of the sections when I was a kid where I'll eventually just RNG'd across the, the item, because I'll just been wandering mindlessly. Oh, not withdraw, dude, deposit. Self scope, screw you. Old rod, screw you. Elixir will keep you for endgame. HP up, same. Nougat. Whoa. This can go in there. Oh, did I skip straight to Super Rod? Is it Old Rod then Super Rod? I skipped out Good Rod, right? I skipped out Good Rod. Anyway, there we go. Just don't need tears, Better safe than sorry, as they say. Don't want any tears. Dude, cut is so annoying. I don't like HMs. I feel once you've cut them down once, they just shouldn't grow back. Do you know what I mean? That's just me talking. Hello, can I go in? The Safari Zone. Okay, for just $500, you can catch all the Pokemon you want in the park. I'd like to join the hunt. That'll be 500, please. Okay, when you special Pokeball here, 30 Safari Balls. We'll call you on the PA when you run out of time. Well, Safari Balls, time's based on steps. Okay, I've got a map. Does it immediately stop playing this music? Okay. Now where I want to put this. Could put this here. maybe that looks goofy as hell in the OBS. Whatever. If we get someone cool, we got someone cool, and that'd be very cool. But we'll see. I didn't realize it played this music the whole time, though. It doesn't have a step counter. I thought it showed you a step counter. Oh, hilarious! Dude, hilarious. I really want this guy, but I'm gonna get him on off another route. But if I get one here, I mean, cool. He's gonna run away. What? It's not running. Ran away. Okay. How do I mark it as... There we go. Yeah, dude, I was just like, I had no expectations that like, I was gonna get anything here. So, I'm like, whatever. We can grab this. Yeah, you got it must be like one of the similar zones in another game where the step counter is visible. I don't know if I have enough steps to do this, but because I'm trying to take the golden route here, but I'm stepping out of my way to grab those. Yeah, man, super stressful. Valid. It's very cool, though. Like, it's cool the game's got these, like, different areas and, like, you know... Like, it's pretty neat. Oh, he's cool. Dude, if I'd already got that Doduo would have counted as a dupe. That Nidoran would have counted as a dupe. And I would have had an opportunity for that Rhyhorn. We're just wishful thinking. You know what I mean? We're just talking out our ass here, but... Just saying. I didn't think there was Doduos here. I mean, I didn't really think about what was here or what wasn't here. So... Wait, whoops. No, I didn't mean to do that. Don't catch. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, I'm gonna have to release that. No. I'll release him, don't worry. He's not legit. He doesn't count. At least that wasn't a new Pokedex entry. Because that would have been slightly invalid, do you know what I mean? Dude! Can't believe we got the chances are very rare. Catching them is just a ball ache as well. Kangaskhan as well. Catching Kangaskhan's an absolute ball ache. Okay, hopefully we got enough steps. Oops. Hello.
Finally, the first person to reach the secret house. It's getting worried that no one would win our campaign prize. I save 1, HM3. Okay. Oh no, I just got surf for this. Then where's the gold teeth? I thought the gold teeth was to get the gold teeth to get strength. I need to find gold teeth. Was it that thing outside? No. Okay, let's... Is that gold teeth? Yes, okay, cool. Okay, cool. So we get strength now as well. Okay, great. Okay, that's good. So I give the gold teeth to the warden, and he gives me strength. So now we just got two major freaking HMs back to back, which is great. No, get a lot more steps than I thought. I know I have just made a bit of a beeline for... My Eve evolved in Flareon, but our friend said Vaporeon. I wonder why. Because you used it... Do you not realize you used something called a Flame Stone on it? I did win a prize, I already did that. You keep my item if you find it on the ground here, but you run out of time if you tried for all of them at once. Okay. Got it, nerd. Can I use the bike in here? I can. I certainly can. Get rid of that obnoxious music as well now. Diddly. Beeble. Time's up. This Furry game is over. Okay, I need to release that. Did I get a good haul? Come again. I'm in. I got some cool shit. I don't know if I got, like, Pokemon-wise. Not so much, but... Completely expected outcome, though. Okay. Yeah, is the warden? There's the warden, right? You're the warden. No. Oh, is he in like his own specific house? They're saying he's got a speech problem. Dude, he's lost his teeth. These are all bullies. Sorry, Zone Zoo in front of the entrance. Out back, Sorry game for catching Pokemon. Kinda fucky. There we go. Here now? Where's the... This is him, right? No? You the guy? I'm the fishing guru's old brother. Said we love fishing. Yeah, I like to fish. I got the good rod. I already got the super rod. So... I don't care. Oh. So I don't freaking care. Warden's house, right? You got a sign in front of you. Aha! There we go. Thanks, kid. No one could understand a word that I said. I couldn't work that way. Let me give you something for your trouble. Gem for strength. Bum, 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 bum. Let's go! Whoops. Let's go, bro! And now we could actually surf down to Cinnabar Island now and actually have the whole map, like, opened up, more or less. Bar Victory Road. Cool. Progress made, man. Progress frickin' made. Alright, so I guess it's gonna be Silphco next. Is gonna be the goal, I think. I think that's the move. But that's for another day. That is gonna be, of course, for another day. That is gonna be for another day. But dudes, thank you for coming to hang out with Rex the dog as per usual. It's always appreciated. It's always appreciated having some nice people to hang out with. Happy with what we learned at the start of the stream on gamemaker. Also kind of pretty happy about the goals of like, oh hey, like these would be cool things to do in the future and all that kind of thing. So feeling good about that. I'm gonna find a good YouTube channel I can kind of like watch you know, in between streams to kind of see if I can like learn and pick up on some stuff and, you know, all that kind of crap. It's gonna be incredibly useful. But we'll be back tomorrow, man. We'll be back tomorrow. Same Rex place, same Rex time. We'll be hanging out tomorrow. If anybody wants to stop by and spend a little bit of time with the dog, dog. But yeah, here's the schedule we like to chuck up on the screen. Where is it? There we go. There we go. I'm gonna see if I can get a good chunk of Sunset Overdrive done tomorrow. Cause we got a couple of games that I'm kind of, you know, we're in the middle of Pokemon at the moment. We're also dude, I've got Yakuza. I haven't played Yakuza since we've got back. So I need to get back into some more Yakuza, you know what I mean? I'll play some more Yakuza soon. But tomorrow we're gonna be playing a bunch of Sunset Overdrive amongst, you know, other things. Because we usually do a couple of other things. Could do an IRL stream on Tuesday. That's kind of like the fun, exciting thing. Well, not that everything else isn't fun to me, but I'm excited for that, for like something different on Tuesday. On Tuesday, we're going to be getting into that. So, should be cool. If anybody's got a raid suggestion we can chuck in, we will, of course, oblige. And we will chuck that all in. Otherwise, Martin Floof. Oh, we know Martin Floof. We've visited Martin Floof before. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. Thanks again as usual for hanging out. No tragedies happening on Pokemon, so I'm happy about that, man. I'm happy about that. No real tragedies are happening. No one's dying, and that like Snorlax was. I really wanted that Snorlax, so I'm glad we got him. You know, it's cool we caught the Ghastly, but honestly, you'll probably never get used. So, but the Snorlax is kind of, I do envision that as one of like my final 6 that I use. So to get him, I'm like pretty thumbs up Gucci about. But yeah, people, do take care. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm sure we'll catch some of you people around soon. But peace out and bye from the Rex the dog.